Welcome to our new series, Indian Meal Prep, where we're sharing recipes which are high protein, Indian vegetarian recipes that actually taste good. In this episode, we're sharing our Paneer Quinoa, which has 26 grams of protein per serving. To make our Paneer Quinoa, we're going to get a large pan on a low to medium heat and add some oil spray. Once that's hot, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of ginger paste and let that saute for a few minutes. To this we're going to add 1 carrot, give that all a really good mix and cover and leave to saute for a few minutes. The great thing about this recipe is it's packed full of veggies and has a high amount of protein. And if you like recipes like this and want more recipes like this, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. After a few minutes we're going to add pepper along with frozen edamame and green beans. Again, give that all a really good mix. Adding the edamame is a great way to add extra protein to this meal, and we've just used frozen edamame which you can get from the supermarket. You want to leave that to saute for a few minutes before adding in your quinoa. We're going in with 120 grams of quinoa, and the quinoa we've used is a mixed quinoa with red, white and black quinoa, but you can use whatever you're able to get a hold of. Again, mix that through so the quinoa is nice and evenly distributed before adding your seasoning. We're going in with some salt and chili powder and then giving that a good mix. And then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of ketchup. We're also going to go in with a dash of Maggi liquid seasoning and then give that all a really good mix. To cook our quinoa, we're going to add 350 ml of boiling water, or check your packet instructions to make sure the ratio of water to quinoa is correct. Bring that to a boil and then cover and leave to simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes or as per packet instructions. Whilst that's cooking, we're going to get started on our paneer. So into a bowl we've added 225 grams of ala paneer, which has been cubed along with some corn flour, salt, turmeric powder and chili powder. Then you want to give that all a really good mix. Once your paneer is evenly coated in that mix, you want to place it into the air fryer basket before air frying at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes, and don't forget to flip halfway. Whilst the paneer is cooking, we're going to make the sauce for the paneer, which adds a lot of flavour to our dish. So to start off with, we're going to add some ginger paste along with some soy sauce, rice vinegar and some ketchup. To add a bit of heat, we're also going to go in with some chili sauce. To make the sauce the right consistency, we're just going to add 2 tablespoons of water and then give that all a really good mix. Once your paneer is cooked, it'll look something like this. We're then going to add this to the sauce and mix it really well so the paneer is evenly coated. Once that's mixed well, just leave it to one side for later. In this time, your quinoa should have been cooked and will look something like this. We're just going to give our quinoa one quick mix before adding some more flavour to the quinoa by adding some soy sauce along with some Maggi chili sauce and again another dash of Maggi liquid seasoning. Give that all a really good mix to make sure all of those sauces are incorporated. To this we're going to add the paneer which we've air fried earlier and make sure you get all of that sauce into the pan as well. Give that all a good mix so the paneer is nice and evenly distributed in the quinoa. And there you have it, our paneer quinoa that has a massive 26 grams of protein per serving. This is perfect for Indian meal prep.